Hello and welcome to this quick tip from filmsbychris.com. That's Chris with a K. Link in the description. I'm Chris with a K. Today we're looking at, I'm in Brave. Brave is the web browser of my choice, and it does a great job of blocking ads. So look, there's not very much going on this page. I'm at W3 Schools, which is a great place to learn about different programming languages. And over here, there is an ad here, but we do have our shields up. If we click here, we can turn off the shields. This will allow everything to come through. So right away, you can see there's an ad at the top here loading, there's an ad over here loading, and come down, we have ads here and here. So again, if we leave the shields on, it will block all that. But as you can see, there is an ad that comes through. It's actually, for W3 schools. So already at their site. I don't know what they're trying to sell me here. But let's say I wanted to get rid of that. Well, it's very simple. I can just right click this and say block element. At this point, I can now choose what I want to block. I can block this here, or I can block this whole area right here. We can adjust the level right here. I'm going to turn it all the way up, but you can see the element it's blocking, something with the ID of right. I'm going to hit create, and now it's gone. I can refresh the page, and it's still not there. I can copy this URL. I can open up an incognito mode, or private mode, or whatever you want to call it, and it's still blocked even in incognito mode. Now, let's say you accidentally block something you don't want to. So like if I was to right click this, say block element, and I'm going to choose this right here, and I say create, well now I'm blocking that. I can refresh this page and that element's still missing. So how do you unblock things? Well, in your Brave URL, go to Brave //settings/shields/filters. Down here, if I refresh, you can see we have a list of filters. They're by domains. You can see here that I only have a few things listed in here because for the most part, Brave does a great job by itself. But you can see the domain followed by the items that are blocked. So here are the three W3 schools. I can select one or both of those. I can hit delete, and then I click save. And if I go back to the page and refresh, those ads are back. So that's how you block elements manually that maybe is getting past their ad blocker. And it works fairly well. Again, there's only a few items I have in here and they've been blocked since I put them in, but it's just based on attributes of the website, classes or IDs. But yeah, I thought you might find that useful. That was just a quick tip. I hope that you have a great day.